Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to enable notifications on WhatsApp. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to ensure you never miss a message on the popular messaging app. Let's get started. First, open your Android phone's settings. This can usually be found by swiping down from the top of your screen and selecting the gear icon, or by navigating through your apps menu. Next, navigate to the apps section within your settings. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your device. Now find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Once you have selected WhatsApp, you will see a list of options and settings for the app. Tap on the notifications option within the WhatsApp settings. This is where you can customize how you receive notifications for new messages and calls. Within the notifications menu, you will see a toggle for Show Notifications. Make sure this toggle is turned on to enable notifications for WhatsApp on your device. And that's it. You have successfully enabled notifications for WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now, you will receive alerts for new messages, calls, and other notifications from the app. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to enable notifications on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.